All right. Please, sir. Who is the owner of all this food?
It's my own.
You?
Yes.
Please come down, sir. Come down. Come down. I hope that the landlords are aware that you people are packed.
So which kind of question is this?
I want to know.
My landlord knows. In fact, we have actually decided to go to the village.
Naka, are you foolish? Eh? Are you foolish? I'm asking you. Is this man here for the Christmas? Are you our father? Why are you explaining to him why you left the city? Or what you left the city with? Is that your business? Is that why you are here?
Honey, calm down now. It's nothing.
Please, brother. Please, I'm here. We are here to do our job.
Madam, don't say what would make us to detain you here. In fact, you have to drop the load to examine and check if the receipt is correct.
Go and examine the load and check it now. Examine it. How am I even sure you are real police officers? Wait, I am coming. I will give you the receipt you are asking for now. What do you mean?
Please, don't listen to anything she says. Please.
Hey, brother, you should not. Please, sir. Honestly, if it's not the way you are talking, I would have arrested her. You are insulting the police officer.
Take the receipt. Because you see him standing like a human being. You think it's on a human being.
Why you always putting me into trouble?
What do you mean by that? Are you foolish? Are you foolish?
Honey, what is this?
Sir, please. Please, my brother, I think I can see that you're under a bondage. Please, people should leave. Please. It's okay. From the look of things, please. You can go.
I am not going. I will not go like that. I must stay behind and watch this car move first. Because I do not like the way you were looking at that stove when I brought it out. Yes, I will not go like that.
Honey, enter the car now. Enter the car. What are you doing?
Are you crazy? Do you think I am playing with you?
No, I don't.
Do you think I'm playing with you? Okay, let's go now. Do you think I'm playing with you? Everybody will suffer for you. Everybody will suffer for you.
Come down now.
Does it think I'm playing? Does it think I am playing?
Driver, start this motor and leave.
Did you pass your WAEC?
Huh?
Did you pass your WAEC?
Huh? My WAEC? I did. It's okay. You people should go.
Fix the chair. Get down. Are you my father?
Where are you going with that one?
Where are you going with that one? Do you think I'm playing? You want to collect the receipt for this number? You think I'm playing?
Sorry. Let me put it in. Please. Driver, please. People should go. Upstairs. Allow them to go. Move your car.
I have warned you not to make me angry!
How dare you? Ure, leave your husband alone. You will kill this man. You will kill this man.
Ure, please stop. Just stop. Leave me alone. Kill this man now. No. Kill this man. No. You will kill this man. Ure, please stop. Stop now. You will kill him. Stop.
You will kill this man. You will kill this man.
It's okay.
The next time you get me angry again, I will kill you!
It's okay now.
I have warned you not to make me angry!
Okay.
The next time I will kill you!
I love you. Oh, banana. Shaping a 1+1 supposed to make us two. Whether you good or bad, now for me and you. 'cause 1 + 1 is equal to me and you.
My brother! You are welcome! You are welcome, my brother! You are welcome, Elisa! I am happy you are here. Hey!
Uncle, welcome.
All right. You are welcome.
No.
God, thank you. Hey, I am so glad. I am so glad.
This is clean. I did it. Me and Azuka. Yes.
You did a wonderful work.
Hey. Everywhere is clean. Thank you. Honey, the best water.
Honey, they clean everywhere. Hey, you like it?
You suffer for it. You must suffer for it.
Hey.
God, thank you.
Let him sit down. Oh,
thank you.
sit down. Let me keep this thing away. Because he doesn't enjoy anybody.
You people have tried, though. Thank you so much. You really cleaned the entire place.
No.
It's sparkling.
Eliza, don't thank us. We are happy to do it. Yes. You know, you hardly come to the village since you married my brother-in-law, Naka. So I had to clean the whole place. Look at it. No cobwebs anymore. I cleaned everywhere to make sure that the compound is in good shape for you.
You outdid yourself. It's beautiful.
And see.
I will fetch water for you. In case you need water. See. And before, students were living here. So I have to evacuate them for you to be comfortable.
Thank you.
Auntie, I am so happy that you're finally back in the village. I am very happy, Auntie.
Yes, sir.
You are so happy that I am finally back in the village.
Yes, now. I am happy.
You are not a good person. I said you are not a good person. So, you were never happy that I was living in the city, right?
Auntie, no, now. That's not what I meant.
You better mean it that way. You better mean it that way. Because I am extremely upset I am in this village. Do not allow me have problems with you. Do not allow me have problems with you. See, I am very happy that you are finally back in the village. Very happy.
Elisa, my daughter didn't mean it that way.
Then what did she mean?
Don't be angry now.
Then what did she mean? If not for the fact that both of you have helped me to clean this compound and everywhere is sparkling, I would have showed you the other side of me. We're not family! We're not family! We're not family! We are not family!
Madam Trouble, I think say you be Buzuli. Abokunoka, Echam neighbors wanuka.
My brother, I have heard all you said. It is said that north or south, east or west, home is the best.
Exactly.
It is better you come back home with your head than being brought back dead. This is your route. It is better you come back here, stay here. You'll be able to come back to your feet. After a while, you go back to the city.
Mazime, I can't thank you enough for the wonderful job you and your family have done here. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, you don't have to thank me. You don't have to thank me. You are my blood. As soon as I got your call, I had to tell my wife and my daughter to come and clean up this place. Though not that we are so happy you are coming back to the village from the city, but then we have to make sure that you are happy when you come back to the village.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure.
I really appreciate it. Let me go inside and
there has to be a drink somewhere. So we can, at least I can offer you something to drink.
Don't worry. We shall drink later. Even your loads are packed yet. No. Do you even still know where the drinks are in the load? That reminds me, I think I have palm wine in the house. Yes. I will come back with it later in the show.
Gloria. Stella. I did it again.
Stop crying. It is not your fault. Ben should know that you have a problem. Haba, a man like him should know that his wife has a problem, not making you angry.
Ben promised my father. He promised my father that he will not get me angry. Yet, he keeps doing this to me and making me try to hurt him every day.
Uri, it's okay. But if you ask me, I will advise you leave this marriage. Go back to your family. If not, one day you will kill him and go to jail. Here.
So where has he gone?
Honey?
Where have you been?
I went to see off Mazib and his family.
I went to see off Mazib and his family. Huh? So you have finally succeeded in turning a town big girl into a village woman. Okay?
Honey, why are you talking like this? Why? Okay, do you expect me to rob the bank for us to be in the city? No! Things are bad. You know things are bad for us. We only came back here to, gather momentum and then we can go back to the city.
Idaraya. Ube. Akoko. So you think you can wash my brain? Eh? You think you can wash my brain? You do not have to go back to the city. You don't. Because you are too dull. You are too dull.
Okay, no. I am not washing your brain.
You don't have to go back to the city. No, because you are too dull. You are not smart at all. If not, all the years you have been in the city, what did you achieve? What did you achieve? Now, you brought me back to the village to come and become a village person. Turned us into village people.
Honey, you are not a village woman. I'm not a village man. We are not village people. Look at us. See, you should be grateful to God that we have a home we can hide in.
Hide from who? Ndi Irogi. Huh? Naka, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. That after all your exposure, you could resort to this. Coming to the village. Huh? Don't worry. Very soon, your kinsmen will go and buy you a small red cap. And I will put it here, right here in the middle of your head. And then they will invite you to come and please join the king's cabinet. Ndichi. Ulaka welaka. Then they will look at me and say, hey, Marama, please come and join the village market women meeting. Eh? But do not worry yourself, because you have made a very, very big mistake by bringing me to come and stay in this village. You will regret it. In fact, you, your kinsmen, the entire village will see Village War Part 2. Yes, there will be no peace in this village until you take me back to the city. Everybody will suffer for it. Everybody who is seeing now and is not saying anything will suffer for it. Don't ask me to keep quiet. I said they will all suffer for it.
worry. They will all suffer for it. Every single person who has seen and has said nothing, who has heard and has not called you to advise you, they will all suffer for it. You will suffer for it. Even you will suffer for it. Stop advising him because you will all suffer for it.
Banana. Should be now 1 + 1 is supposed to make us 2.
Everybody will suffer it. Everybody in this house will suffer it.
Nothing can be more difficult.
What kind of couple is this?
Loving someone but can love you.
Did I do a wrong thing by marrying her? Or is it a crime to be in love with my wife?
You will suffer for it. Even your love will suffer for it.
God to punish poverty. Let the murder punish poverty. Devil to punish poverty. Punish poverty. I said punish poverty.
I knew it all this while that Nnaka will come back to the village. Because it was so obvious that he married a wrong woman.
Wrong woman, you just said. It is worse than that. In any case, you did your best by dissuading Nnaka not to marry her. But back then he was overwhelmed by love. Love covered his eyes. And he finally married her. But instead of her reciprocating the love, she became trouble. Eliza is a bag of trouble, as big as this whole earth. Instead of bearing Mrs. Nnaka, her name became Mrs. Trouble. Eliza is a whole troublemaker. I've never seen any woman like her in my life.
It is written all over her. It is totally written all over her. Every part of her, trouble. That was why she never wanted to come back to the village since she got married. Now that she's here, let us see how she will cope.
It's going to be a war.
Papa.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Mama, are you going to eat with Papa? Or should I give you your food?
I am paying for that.
So you don't want to eat with me?
Just eat.
Okay.
My sister, I am here. Oh, what can I say? I see that my husband left the city and came to stay in the village, and that I insisted on staying in the city. So I chose to follow him. But do not worry, he will pay for this sin. Don't worry at all.
Hey! I greet you. Don't worry, just enjoy yourself. I'll call you again. There's no problem, it is well. I'll stay in touch, oh? I will come and check up on you from time to time. Okay.
I'm greeting.
What is it, this woman? What is it?
It's not.
Do you not know what it means when somebody is on a phone call? On Ajum? Are you here to ask me questions?
Sorry, why are you attacking me? I heard that my brother Nnaka is back. So I decided to come and greet him.
I am attacking you. In my own house. Do not allow me to throw something at you this afternoon. Do not allow me to throw you something. What do you mean? Somebody left the city and came to sit in the village. And you came here to greet him. Did he kill a lion? Did he kill a lion? Instead of coming to sympathize with him, you are coming here to greet him.
Don't worry. Continue greeting me. All of you. Wadonu! Just don't worry. Continue. This village is going to be hell for all of you.
Mommy, what is it? Mamuche, it's you.
It's you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I heard you are back.
So I said, let me come and greet you. Huh? Is this your wife?
Yes, yes. She's my wife. How is your husband?
He's very fine.
Okay. I know you've not seen her before.
Yes. When you married her, I went for Mogo. And since then, I haven't seen her. Nebiko, if I've offended you, sorry. No?
Hey, keep your sorry to yourself. Keep your sorry to yourself. Don't tell me sorry. You are here to greet him. Did he fall down? Does he have an injury? You came to greet him. Somebody fell back to poverty, and you are here to greet him. Every single person who is aware and has said nothing, every single person in this village, everybody, they will suffer for it. Kwadonu! Because you will suffer for it. This is your useless brother. Here, brought me all the way from the city to come and become a village woman. And you are here. Kwado!
Here.
Mamuje, my wife is not in a very good mood. There's no problem. She's not in a good mood. Please, come and sit down.
Let me be going. My husband went to the king's palace. Last, I heard that you are back, so I said, let me come and greet you. Maybe in the morning he will come and see you.
It's all right. It's all right. All right. Thank you. All right.
Nonsense. What kind of useless people are these? A man leaves the city and relocates to the village. Instead of sympathizing with him, better still chastising him, they are here, greeting him. No.
Honey, that woman is a member of our kindred. You should have been nice to her.
Makagini. Why? Who is she? That she's a member of your kindred will not save her from my wrath. Did you hear me? Since they've been coming here to greet you, have you given any of them common mineral? Did you come back to this village with one kobo?
See, they are doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, how would you feel if we had come back and there was nobody to see us, to even greet us?
I would have been very happy, because that will mean that our stay in this village will not last at all. But now they keep coming here, saying no, daloso, making you feel relaxed and comfortable, making you believe that we are on the same level with them. Very soon, the women will begin to come here and ask how to write my name on their register.
Is there anything wrong with that? Is there anything wrong with that? She's even the secretary of the kindred women and even the secretary of CWO.
I knew it. She came here for me. They want to know my full name and how to write it on the register. And not to worry. I have to brace up to the occasion, make more trouble, and make them regret my staying in this village. That's what I have to do. Yes.
Okay. I am very sorry for bringing you to this village. I'm very sorry. And I promise you, our stay will not be long. We'll leave as soon as possible. Okay? I know you're hungry. What do we do about food?
He's asking me what we'll do about food. But do not worry, Eliza. Do not worry at all. Just wait until you're hungry. And in 20 minutes, you will certainly be hungry. And then there'll be no food in front of you. By that time, the entire villagers will gather for us. Do not worry at all. Do not be angry with him. Do not even bother about looking for any weapon around to break his head with. Because right beside you, there is a weapon for mass destruction. There are good weapons all around you.
Just sit down, okay? I'll fix something. I'll make food for us. Let's sit down, okay? Sit down. Sit down now. Sit down. I'll make food.
Marriage
I have told her it. And she will do it. If not, one day she will kill this man in this compound and put us in trouble.
My dear, this is not fair. Ben knows his wife has a spiritual problem. Instead of him making everything better, he makes it worse.
But Ben said he has tried. Ure at least should try and control her anger. If she likes, let her control herself. That one is her business. But what I know is that if she kills Ben, she will definitely go to jail. Is she the only one with spiritual problem? Maybe make her hear something.
My dear, the other day I heard she nearly killed a lady at her salon.
Let me tell you, Ure has a big problem. She needs people around her that will not make her angry. I beg, make we come out before she will come kill us. I've never seen a woman that has such power like that.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I am trying to see if I can cook small something.
Uncle, no now. You should have told me. Well, I brought some food for you.
That's nice.
Uncle, why not leave the food tomorrow? I'll prepare something for you.
That would be very beautiful. I think that's what we'll do.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. What's going on here? Where is the food you went to prepare?
Asoka brought food. Yeah?
Auntie Lily. Auntie, I brought food for both of you.
Yes, that's the food she brought.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? They are bringing food for you. Like somebody who is in the hospital. Come and sit down. Let's eat the sympathy food.
Thank you very much, eh? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much for the food.
Okay.
Okay.
Auntie,
Thank you.
I have to go.
Do you know you're very hungry? Eh? It's not up to 20 minutes.
It's past 20 minutes.
Start eating. It's me. It's me. Eh? Why are you doing this?
I said you are not going anywhere until you give me money to hold on to before you're back.
Hey, Naka, what is happening here?
Mazi, just take a good look at me. Just take a good look at me. Tell me, what wrong have I done this woman this morning?
Ini, please. Leave her. It's not good enough. Don't you know that people can see the two of you like this?
And if they see what will happen? If they see us, what will happen? He is not going anywhere until he gives me money to hold on to. Just in case I get hungry before he gets back. I am sick and tired of people bringing food into this compound as if we are in a prison.
Mazi, what is wrong in my family members bringing food for us? So Asoka, who brought food here yesterday, is now someone.
Ini, please, leave him. Let him go. We are not even going far. I just want to go and show him something.
Simple. Simple.
Ma, you're very funny. You're funny. You honestly think I care about where you go to? I do not care. If you like, take him to hellfire to visit the devil. I don't care. All I know is that he will give me money before he leaves this house.
It is okay. It is okay. Leave him. Let me see. I think I should have some money.
Leave him? How?
Leave him. We are not going far. It's okay.
Wait, now he wants to give you money. He wants to give you money.
I have some money. I have some money in my bag.
He's bringing it.
Come and sit down. Come and sit down.
Wait,
Come and sit down. Sit down.
Wait. He's bringing the money.
Sit down.
Oh, he's bringing the money.
Listen, that is okay. It's okay. It's alright. Leave him. Leave him. I will give you some money.
Wait.
Let me see. I got everything in the house. Hey, Ini.
Nice.
Let us go.
You have been bringing the money since. Bring it.
Please. Please.
Just look at me. This is what I have been going through all the time. Is it a bad thing for a man to love his wife?
Naka, we cannot open our eyes and see your wife treat you like this in the village. Never. Not that she has even given you a child.
That one, I've left that one for God to handle. What I'm praying for is for her to treat me well. That's all.
Naka, we cannot open our eyes to see her treat you this way. You have to open your eyes. Naka, you have to wake up. Wake up, open your eyes and stand up like a man.
You will not believe. You see the phone my wife is using? The phone she is using is enough to pay our house rent in the city. Or even start a small business for her. If I tell you what I went through to get that phone for her, you will not believe me. Uche, the phone my wife is using right now is more than 150,000 naira.
Yeah. Hey! How much? 150,000 naira.
I bought it.
Naka, are you this weak? Yeah. Your late father was not like this.
This is not weakness.
Then what we call it? What we call it?
My wife knows that I love her so much. That's why she's doing all this. But now that we are in the village, I just hope she will gradually calm down. So,
anyway, I don't have anything to say again. Let us go. Until I see the other members of the family.
Child. Yes. I'll tell Papa. Okay. Papa, sister's problem have started again.
What? Who told you?
Papa, she called me and she was crying.
Not again. I hope it's not bad.
No, Papa. There's no casualty this time around.
Please tell her to come back.
Okay, Papa. But what is all this one?
I don't understand.
Papa, I'm tired. I'm tired. Dikeh drum.
What kind of rubbish is this?
Eliza, you have to register with the women now, because when they start seeing you in the village for a very long time, they will attack you.
They will attack me. The village women, they will attack me. Hey! Are you serious?
Yes, now.
Please, I'm begging you. Help me and beg them. Help me and cajole them. Help me and instigate them to please attack me on the road. Thank you for letting me know. I just begged you now that I must come and join CWO and the village women. Makagini, am I a village woman? Do I look like a village woman? I'm asking you.
Eliza, nobody is saying that you look like a village woman. But because you're married in this community and in this family, you should identify with the women. That's what I'm talking about. Yes.
Or else they will attack me. That village women meeting or the CWO meeting, count all the women there. Which of them dresses the way I dress? This is human hair.
Which of them has human hair? Which of them uses the kind of phone I use? Which of them can even afford this kind of wristwatch? Look at my wedding band that this useless man bought for me before we came here. Which of them can afford it? Eh? I knew that very, very soon, you will open this your mouth and tell me to go and register with the village woman. Hey! If not that you have been nice. If not that you helped me clean this house. If not that when I sent you to the market, you went peacefully without any hazards. Hi! I would have slapped you like this so that you can tell them what kind of a troublemaker I am. Hi! Say they will attack me. Hi! They should come and attack me.
Eliza, I have done what I'm supposed to do. But you know that some of the women are equally troublesome. But I don't want you to have issues with them. So I will cover up for you.
I don't want that. Do not cover up for me. Cha-cha, I don't want it. Did you hear me? In fact, in order for you not to stress yourself, I will pay them a visit. Okay. I'll pay them a visit.
In any case, don't worry. I'll talk to your husband myself. So that he will give me money to buy the CWO uniform for you. Because our August meeting is approaching very soon. I want you to wear it to the meeting.
I said they will see me very, very soon. This is not the CWO women. They will attack me. Man, you don't even know me at all. You don't know me at all. You don't know the things I can do. You don't know the things I can do. The cheerleader.
Hi! Elisa, stop now!
Assistant cheerleader. Hi! The secretary. Oh! Yeah, lazy.
Go like this. So this way.
So even those parcels of land at Uzamri and this plantation, they all belong to my father.
Oh yes, oh yes. You know, all this while your father was alive, you hardly come to the village. Now that you have come to the village, I have no choice than to show you your land. There are still many others I will show you.
Icheibe, you are such a wonderful man. I know that certain kinsmen will never show this kind of property to their brother when he comes back. But you are showing me everything. See all the parcels of land. See this plantation.
Naka.
Thank you very much.
Naka, why will I do that? You are my blood. Now that you have come to the village to stay, I have to show you your land so that you have something with which to start your life. Except you are still having it at the back of your mind to go back to the to the city.
I want to settle in the village for now.
Okay.
Let me know where my problem is coming from.
You see, the other land in Uzomiri, that land, whatever you put in it comes out big, very fertile. They eat yam,
see plantation,
cassava, cocoyam, anything you plant there, very fertile, comes out big. You don't have time to waste. Whatever is it you want to do, you have to start fast.
I'll start working on the land. I'll start working on them.
Good. There are still others I want to show you. So let us go.
Hey. Okay. Hey.
Let's go through.
Hey.
You are surprised.
See, because let me tell you, see, nobody in this village, nobody will eat my money and go scot-free. See, as long as you don't eat my money, you must give me the, whether you like it or not, here and now, we can go at Nkonko and do something. I'm going to tell you.
The boy, leave my way. Get out from my way now. What is your problem? Why are you stressing my life in this village?
Yeah, okay.
Did I do any business with you?
Why are you disturbing this girl?
Why are you disturbing her? Do you want to rape her? Ask him, oh. Ask him. Oh, he has been disturbing me that he wants me to be his girlfriend. I said no. The next day, he gave me money. I didn't ask him, just for that show. And now he's telling me that it's either I give him back the money or I follow him to the bush to do. Can you imagine?
I knew it. Immediately you see a girl and a boy arguing on the road, it always has to do with the bush. Eh? You're a very, very foolish round man. You're very foolish. Huh? Go where? Who are you, sir? Hey, what should you see?
Look, let me tell you. I the beautiful man. I know there for you know if you eat, run away.
Help me avoid it. Thank you very, very much. Bikoni, let me fight this fight for you.
Thank you. So, are you the bait woman?
Yes! No problem. That is because you have never ever heard of Eliza, Naka's wife, from the city. I will show you city stars this today. In the village. Yes. You beat women. Idiot. You beat women. Eliza. Eliza.
How man beat you? For you, the people go see you to see something.
Papa.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa. Papa, where is Choma?
Choma went out.
Oh, okay.
Your face is not looking bright.
Papa, I'm fine. I'm just stressed. I'm fine.
Don't tell me it's because the sickness has started again.
Papa, why not calm down? I'm here now. Let's go inside, please.
Honey? Honey? Hey! Where are you? I'm back, oh, I'm back. If there's anything you cook something, please. I'm hungry.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Azuka, my sister.
Uncle.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about Auntie?
I don't know if she's inside or she went out. I'm just coming back. I went out with your father.
Yes. Yeah. He just came back now.
Okay.
Uncle, I brought you to food.
I don't know how to thank you people. I don't know.
Uncle, you don't have to thank us. Uncle, you are our own. So you don't have to.
Thank you.
Alright, Uncle, I have to rush back home. Okay, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
I'll see you later.
Hey, is that see? Hi. Honey? I think she's out. Let me keep some for her. Honey, you're back.
What is going on here?
You're back.
No, I'm not back. I'm still at the market. What is going on here?
You didn't see Azok on the road? She just left. She brought food. Yes.
And you're about to eat the food without waiting for me?
How now? No. I was just I just taking some and kept yours. You know, I wouldn't know when you'll be coming back. By the way, what did you buy?
What did you just do?
Seafood, and somebody's hungry. Even the meat. See, come and pick this plate. Oh. Come and pick this plate. Come and pick this plate.
Okay. We went to your house. I didn't see you. You didn't see me. My brother, see, make I tell you, as they talk to that one way they talk, no be waiting. I expect to hear from you. As they see me, the shout they come like this, with anger. You suppose not say me the vex. I the vex. Yes. Waiting, I expect to hear from you now, just to call me a murderer, Obumado. That's all. Murderer. Stop. Call you murderer. When you have not murdered anybody yet. Huh? See, make I tell you, with this pressure why dinner, with this condition why dinner, I'm about to do so. You see that guy, what they call Ngozi? Ngozi ka, what bago? I go murder him. I go kill him. I mean, you see Ngozi ka, what bago? I must murder him. Even the other one, what they call Eliza, what they do? I go kill him. I mean, the thing. If I murder this one, I kill this one. Wait, since when have you started pursuing girls who call Eliza? See, make I tell you, I don't tell you. No one person they talk better than I'm better. That way the verse and that one of the verse. I know they pursue anybody. What thing I tell you say that girl where they call Ngozi, I stop am, hang with them like this. They talk. The reason with them, they tell her one sweet things like that, you know. All these sweet thing words we say, you know. I so I just tell them the reason with them, understand? The way whether she go enter. Now this girl, she what be her Eliza again. Now she from nowhere. Come on, she come to do galadima. I look at laugh with them based on village matter now. At the end of the day, my brother, I don't know say this girl dey serious. I don't know say the girl dey serious. Before I know what is going on, I think in a village matter. I saw the girl from my back like this, put leg, and I see her fall for ground. Papa, before I know what is going on, oh more, but sound don't fool my eye, my body. I mean, I tell you. Who got you out for this village? Sit, the boy. Wait, oh, for the Eliza. Is it the one that who came back with Naka, son of Amadi? The one he married who could not give him a child. See, make I tell you. If he like, make it be the one away from Lagos or the River Niger, you know, concern me. But waiting me, they tell you, say, you see Ngozi. Now what I go bother him? You see the other one, Elizabeth, where they call her so, my brother, that one Nike butchering. I got a woo 6 feet. Welcome to number 6 Imala Street. I mean, they tell you. Calm down. Sure. This village. This is not a ship. Let us go.
I got fear. Go see there. Go plan. Go, Eliza. Don't worry.
Somebody will not just
what? Am I the one you are insulting since? Am I the one you have been insulting since? Am I the one that said you should pack the rice from the ground? This is why you're rushing back to the village. This is why you had all the confidence that you wanted to come and stay in the village. You wanted to come and stay here for free food. Do not worry. I will go to that man's house and warn him and his daughter never to bring food into this house again. Because you are too lazy. You are too lazy.
Honey, this is not fair. This is not nice now. Okay, now that you have poured away the food, what are we going to eat?
Biscuits. I'm going to eat biscuits and malt. I have malt inside.
And what will I eat?
You go to the dustbin and pack all the rice that you have eaten. All the rice that you threw into the dustbin. Go and start eating it. The meat is still there. On your go. That's why they brought the food. You could not wait for me to even see it. You started pinching the meat. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. You suffer for it. You must suffer for it. Ichi has given you the land he wants to go and work on. Let me just warn you. Any day I hear my name, honey, come and accompany me to the farm. I will cultivate you that day because you have to do all the farm work by yourself. Right? Okay. I will soon go there and warn that man not to bring food to this house again. Onyagu, you could not wait for me to come. You're pinching the meat. Yes, honey. Hey, I saw your plate. Before you come. You saw for it. You saw for it.
Alice, I'm happy I'm doing my best for them. Before people will start to say, cho here and there.
My husband, you are doing the right thing. But look at the Chiokaka. Since Nnaka stepped his foot into this place, Ichiokaka has not seen him, let alone coming to welcome him. If he had come with money now, plenty of it, he would have flown into this place like a kite, boom, and go away with the money. But because he didn't come with money, he stayed away, stayed aloof.
Don't mind her. Am I even happy that he's back? But I have to show him that I'm happy for him. Nnaka is a lazy person.
Abi?
Nnaka is a lazy person.
As much.
It is obvious that he cannot even make use of the land. Yes.
I thought as much. Look at the way Lisa is twisting him, honey. Like the baby puppy.
Hey, Papa. That woman is going to be tough. The way I'm seeing it, the woman is going to be tough.
Eliza is not an easy nut to crack. At all. Eliza is troublesome. She is problematic. Mama even told me that she insulted her this morning. Almost beat her up. Yes, she told me.
I noticed it. This morning, was I not the one that separated them from fight?
I said, why are you surprised?
Again?
Yes.
Oh.
Honestly, that woman is not the kind of a woman that our brother should marry. Eliza will kill Nnaka one day.
Papa, Papa, yes. You people should start now. Papa, you people should start on time and do something about it. Do something about it now.
I hear. What do you want me to do? When Nnaka was to marry Eliza, we told him no, you cannot marry this kind of a woman. Nnaka said, I am in love, I love her, and he went ahead to marry her. So what do you want me to do?
Of wanting to.
Up till now, Eliza has not even given him a child. The only son of our late brother. So what do you want me to do? Azuka,
Papa.
This later, go and call Nnaka for me.
Okay.
I need to find out from him why himself and Udukwe have not gone to see Nnaka since they came back from the city.
But they should have come to see him. Yes. At least to welcome him. And find out how they will help him. And that is Eliza.
No problem, Papa. I will call him.
God will help us.
Amen.
My daughter, Papa, what do we call this kind of sickness?
Papa, my marriage is over. I told you earlier that I can't marry that kind of a man. I explained this thing to you. If at all I'm going to be married, it has to be a man that is calm and gentle. A man that can help me in this sickness.
I think you're right. You need a gentleman. A man that will not provoke you. A man that will not make you angry. Yes. That is the kind of man you need.
I have come back to stay in my father's house, where I am being understood. I don't want what happened before to repeat itself. Papa Biko, any man that will come here for my hand in marriage, he must be a gentle, calm man. Please, Papa. A man that will help me in this situation.
Okay. We'll continue to pray for God to bring you such kind of man.
Amen. And that will be the kind of a man I will love for the rest of my life. Until God delivers me from this sickness.
JB, don't ask me why I'm not happy about his return. Why will a young man leave the city where his mates are making money and he comes back to the village to come and do what? At this time? It's wrong. It's wrong.
Okaka, you disappoint me. Yes, you disappoint me. You better be careful. You better be careful. People are watching us. You are looking around. You are looking around as if I'm talking about people within the building. No! Within the whole village, people are watching us. We need to be careful so that people will not start to say to all around every place. That we are not happy that the son of our late brother comes back from the village, from the city to the village. You have to, you and Udukwe, just try the best you can. Go and see him. And moreover, I have even gone to show him the land along Uzomiri. Yes.
The land along Uzomiri?
Yes.
Hey! Oh, Ichebe. You have spoiled everything. You and I know why no. Is that not the land we have been using? Why will you go and show him that land? By the way, that land is too big for him. What can he do with that land? You know what I'm talking about. Organism.
You are disappointing me. Are you looking at me? I say you are disappointing me. Yes. The land belongs to his late father. And whatever belongs to his late father belongs to him. So the land we are talking about belongs to Unaka. There's no reason why I should not show him. It belongs to him. There's something you are not thinking about. As I have shown him the land, we can later go back to him and tell him that please, we want to use part of the land for farming. And moreover, you know that Nnaka is such a lazy person. He cannot even till the land. So why are you worried?
Okay, that's true. That's true. You have a point there. Oh yes. Oh, lazy man. We can always go back to him.
Please, give us part of it. Kaka. One more thing. You see, that his wife, Eliza, that we never wanted him to marry, has started to show the stuff why we did not want him to marry her. Eliza is a troublemaker. She even insulted Udukwe's wife.
Yeah. Eliza, fire, fire. Fire, fire, Eliza, fire, fire.
Don't worry. I can continue, Eliza. Eliza,
I trust you.
I can take care of her.
I trust you.
Eliza is
What are you doing here? Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
No, Jimmy, get up. Let's go inside and sleep. I'm not sleeping inside that place this night. No lights, no fan. Oh, say, I mean, get up. Get up. Let's go inside and sleep.
You want to sleep here? Eh?
Yes, I will sleep here this night. Did you hear me? So if you want to sleep, go in and sleep.
I am not going to allow you sleep here alone. I'm not going to allow you sleep outside. Let's go inside.
Drag me. I have seen that you brought me back from the city to come and kill me in this village. You just want me to suffer. I said I'm not going inside there again. Can't you see that place is too hot? I can't see anything. Everywhere is dark. With this your black face.
Anyway, okay. You want to sleep here? Both of us will sleep here now.
Where?
Shift.
Where?
I won't allow you to sleep here. Shift.
Go and sleep for your place. Do you think I'm playing with you?
Okay. If this is what you want, both of us will stay outside here. I'll sleep here.
Do you think I'm playing with you? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Inside the heat, where there is no light. Which I'll be feeling. Is this your hard beers and your black face? I'm coming. Let's go. Let's sleep outside. Let's sleep outside. So where do I start sweeping this compound from now? Eh? The compound is too big. It's too big.
Auntie, Azuka. Auntie, good morning. Good morning. Auntie, I brought you water.
You did?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. And just take it to the back and pour it inside the rubber there.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Oh,
okay.
Thank you. Eh?
Mommy? Who are you talking with?
Your shadow. Why are you asking me? This compound is too big. It's too big. Where do I start sweeping it from? Can't you see?
You just start from here. Before you know it, you're done. You're looking very beautiful this morning. What is it?
This compound, it's too big. It's too big. Huh?
What's that? Before you know it.
Auntie, I'm done with you.
Okay,
Okay.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Auntie,
let me go and fetch another one.
Hey, thank you.
Okay.
Azuka, come. Let me follow you to see where you fetch the water from. Besides, it is not your fault or my fault that you have been cursed with a poverty-stricken brother, or that I have been cursed with a dumb poverty-stricken husband. Do not worry. Don't let it bother me too much. Let me go and get the water and follow me down to the stream so I can learn how to fetch water. Eliza is going to the stream to fetch water. You, compound, do not worry. Just start small from here. Before you know, you are done. Start small, oh? Let me go and get my dad.
No, it's nothing. There's nothing to worry about. Yeah? There's nothing to worry about. No, don't worry. are welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, look at him. That's my brother. That's my brother. Are you the one sweeping?
My wife went to the stream to fetch water. So I decided to help by sweeping.
Village, oh, my city life. City life.
You know how it is.
I know how it is.
It's okay.
It's alright.
For not coming since you returned.
We have been busy with Igwe.
Oh
yes.
I heard. So it's not a problem. Your wife was here. Yeah, she came to see us. Yes. So there's no problem.
How are the Kazi offer? Oh, Putuki. City life is very good in your body. City life is very good.
Yes. City. You see, City. It is not as you think. In fact, come and sit down, let me gist you. Sit down. Let me gist you.
Something I like. So to be the only thing I like in this village village of yours. Auntie, don't worry. Which time is it? Auntie, calm down. I'll stop you. Sorry now. I'll stop you. You don't talk to serious like that.
Okay, good morning.
Okay, I'm great.
Take your time.
Are we quarreling?
Are you foolish? Huh? Are you foolish? I'm asking you. Do you know who I am? You are walking with me along the road and you are greeting one non-entity. And the non-entity is not even answering you. It's acting like the Igwe of the village. And you are still begging him. This is Yaki here. And you are still asking him if there's a quarrel. Stop it there. Look, you insult everybody in this village. Don't try to know how I would deal with you. Quiet! The one that says that you should not talk well. I hope you are not among those boys that used to people that they are looking for. Let me warn you. If I ever see your hand touch my sister here, I will deal with you. Let's go. Calm down now. Let's go.
Naka. It is good back home. You see, our people say that when a man is being pursued from the city, he runs back to his room.
Yes.
It is good that you took a wise decision by coming back home. And now that you are here, you have your house. You are not going to pay for house rent. You will not pay for water rate. You will and your borehole behind your backyard, except for electricity. You can even contain the government with their rate. But the most important thing is that you are back home and nothing on earth can happen to you.
Amen.
Let me also tell you, be careful with the way you mingle with our villagers. They are very, very bad.
Vicious people.
Don't eat or drink from any.
Yes. So that what killed my father will not kill me.
Yeah! Good. It is good that you are aware of how your father and your mother died after coming back from the traditional marriage. Nothing will kill you.
Amen.
In this place, you have come here to stay.
You know that was the reason I ran away. That was the reason I ran away. I decided not to come home again. In fact, if not for the way things turned, things became so bad. I had to run for my dear life. I wouldn't have come back to this.
It's not bad. You have gone to your room. It's not bad.
You should understand that.
It is not your back to your room.
No, it's good to be home.
It is good to be home. It is good to be home.
You will not die.
You can never die.
Because we are here with you.
How much do I...
So, they beat you very, very well.
Yes.
They flogged you very, very well.
Look at my body. Look at my body. Look at my body.
They did well. My only problem now is my gallon and my bucket that they have broken. Where did they enter? Azuka, where did they enter?
They entered this way.
I'm telling you, did you see that long day that I was with gentlemen? When they entered the water, I wanted to wipe up.
So, it was both of you. It was both of you. Okay,
my friend. Get out of here.
Do not worry. Do not worry. Just know that you are looking for trouble from the wrongest person.
Okay. Why? Call him. No. What? Stop. Okay, stop.
Do not worry. If you think you are crazy, I will show you that I am mad.
Auntie, Auntie, what are you doing with their clothes?
Do you know who came here to attack you? It was that useless baby boy that you were greeting with your big mouth.
Okay,
yes. Himself and the other useless one that is round and very short that I saw molesting that girl.
Boy.
Okay. I have seen them there. But do not worry. I have already seized their clothes. When they come to get their clothes, they themselves will confirm that I am a mad person.
Auntie, it's wrong to attack them in those clothes. They will find you.
They will find you?
Yes, they will find you.
They will find me. You shut up your mouth. They will find me. Who will find me? When they come to get their clothes, of which if they delay, I will burn it down. When they come, then they will have to tell the entire villagers what they did before I took their clothes and left. They beat you very, very well.
Yes, Auntie, see my body. See. They flogged me, see my body.
That is very, very bad. But also, it is very, very good. Because this is your big mouth. You would have treated him in the first place. Carry your water, let's go.
The boy, they call Lisa. She's mad though. She's mad. Now you know say she mad, Abi. Now you know say she mad. That time why they leave her because of all those things. That time why they leave her because of that all those things. That's what she did do that time. It didn't mean the grace. See, with this one what she don't do now, we must deal with her. The most important thing now, okay, The most important thing now is that how are we to go home from here? Now she have collected all our clothes.
Look, in this case, we have to go home in this mask. We have to go home in this mask. Wait, people who run from us.
Even the elders, they might even see us on our way going. Where are we to tell them that we are going to? See, besides, you know, today is not Xmas, no, any festival in this village. Even
forget about that one. Look, tell the elders that we are going for better Elisa sauce and attack us. That way she pay the fine.
Okay, you are right. Understand? You are right. You see, since I knew you, starting from our childhood, now you don't talk something we be say, we make sense. Since why I knew you, now the first time we talk sense. Understand? See, we see my eyes. With this one, what you talk now, we go do. How are we to live here? How are we to live here? Elisa.
You see these clothes? I'm going to burn them. I am going to burn them to ashes. Yes, I will burn them to ashes. Those boys stepped on the wrong person's toes in this village. They did not know. I am not normal. I am a mad person.
Why would you fight them?
Why? Yeah, if you ask me that kind of question, I will start with you this afternoon. What kind of foolish question is that? Did you not see my gallon? They broke my gallon. And they also broke Azuka's gallon. And you are asking me, what different? Eh? You should be worried about my safety. It means stop being a weak man and go and fight those men who had the audacity to stand before your wife.
Honey, if you fight masquerade, do you know the kind of fine they will impose on you? Do you know?
So that is what is more important to you. Your worry is the fine that they will impose on you, right? Do not worry. I know them facially, one by one. I will visit them. So do not worry.
Honey, see, last time I checked, anybody that defaulted the masquerade court will be fined many tubers of yam and goats. Where do I get money?
At least I know where your loyalty stands with the villagers. I told you, Banketi, do not worry. Let me go and keep my evidence, and then I go after them one after the other. You did not hear me? Eh?
Elisa. What kind of trouble is this now? Eh? Kamadi no biya no piang bram.
No. I will not take this. No way, I will not take this. They will tell me where the masquerades were going by this time of the day. This will not end here. They will have to pay for the gallon. Imagine my daughter's body.
Papa, it's neither Christmas nor New Year. Why would masquerade come out in the morning like this? Why?
Nai, you had better go and warn the elders. Talk to the elders, talk to the youths. Why would they do this to my daughter? I will not take it from... Look at her body. I will not take it from anybody. Better go and find out the compound where that masquerade came from. What is this?
No, Papa, Auntie Eliza dealt with them. She dealt with them.
Eh? How? Didn't you tell her that she has no right to talk to them? That only men have the right to talk to them?
Papa, what do you want me to say?
Why do you allow her?
Mama, what do you want me to say? Open them more. Before I could say something.
She had entered the bush where the masquerade entered.
Chimo, are you allowed her?
Papa, it was okay and D-boy. And she even took their clothes home.
Now, I wore the Nakrika. Nsobu has landed. Yanga the sleep. Trouble just woke him from sleep. Better go and warn Naka. Remind him of the consequences of his wife's action. No one, sorry. No one them more. Hey! Eliza! I knew Eliza to be a fighter. But at least did I know that she will have the courage to fight masquerade. Okay, now. Hey! Eliza,
they think they can make me afraid of them. They think that I, Eliza, will be afraid of them. They thought wrong. No problem. They have judged in favor of the masquerades. No problem. I will just leave it in God's hand.